Okay, so I haven't started this thing in like a week. It doesn't have the choke hooked up, so it does struggle to start. We'll see how many pumps of the gas I gotta give it. Maybe I should drive it tonight, I don't know. I kind of don't want to because it's up for auction. Someone's gonna get it for sure. And if anything happens, I'd feel like a moron, so I'm probably not. I'm just gonna move it out to get that thing out the way. I don't know which key it is. It's been so long since I've driven it. Not too bad. It usually takes a little bit longer, like a couple cranks, and then gassing it. But I'm gonna take my car out tonight, so there you guys have it.